Welcome everyone. In today's lesson, I am going to show you how to do some cutting. So let's get started. First, you open up Illustrator. I'm going to create a new document, 8.5 by 11. And I'm going to create a shape. And I'm going to fill it with a simple color, like red. Stroke none. Now I'm going to cut. In order to cut, you need to use this tool right here, which is the scissor tool. And look what I can do here. I'm going to hit Command Y so I can just look at the outline. And I'm going to zoom into a section. And I'm going to cut a specific area of this circle. So I'm going to go ahead and zoom in here. And look what happens when my scissors go over a line. They highlight blue. And then I can click and it cut there. And I'm going to click here. And it added a point there, which is actually a cut. So I cut this line segment. Now with the Command key, I'm going to click away so nothing's selected. Click away so nothing's selected. And then I'm going to click on that line path that I just cut, and I'll press delete. So now I see that it's an open-ended piece. And now I can edit it because I can go back to my drawing settings, white arrow, pen tool, and I can reconnect. So watch my cursor here. I'm reconnecting to that slice. I gotta wait for that cursor to get that little slash. Then I can click on it and I can do something like this. And then close my shape. So I'm going to zoom into this area so you can see that I close my shape and wait for that little circle to appear, and then I can close it. Now if I do Command Y, this is what we just did. I used the cutting tool to cut first, and then I used the pen tool to reshape it to create this brand new shape. So I'll do it again, one more time. I'm going to select the path with the white arrow tool. And I'm going to use the knife tool to cut here and maybe here. So there's a section that I'm cutting off. Then I hit Command to click away. Then I come back in here, click on the path, and I'll press delete. In this case, if I use the white arrow, I have to delete twice. If I use the black arrow, I only have to delete once. And then I'm going to reconnect. So I'm going to zoom into this area so you can see what happens. My cursor gives me that little slash. Now I know I'm connected. And I can do something like continue drawing. I'm gonna make it look like it's a bomb. So that's another example of using the scissor tool to cut and then re-edit. That concludes this lesson. Thank you for watching.